Welcome to the LCR circuit experiment. Objective of this experiment is to find the resonant frequency of series and parallel LCR circuit and also to find the quality factor and the bandwidth of the series LCR circuit. To perform this experiment, we have an inbuilt apparatus and the connecting wires. So here in this inbuilt apparatus, the circuits for the series and parallel combinations are already given. We just have to connect the different components in the appropriate places. Let's make the series connection as given in the circuit. We now follow the procedure to calculate the current for corresponding frequencies. So here are a few things to know. So this knob will change the resistance value connected here, and this knob will change the value for the capacitance connected here, and these two knobs together change the audio frequency output which is supplied to the input of the circuit. So first we need to set the values of resistance and capacitance, and the inductance is already fixed internally. So now let's set the resistance value at 50 ohms and capacitance at 0.1 microfarad, and now we set the audio frequency output at 3 volt. Okay, at 3 volt and 1 kilohertz. So we change the frequency with the help of these two knob, and we change the voltage with the help of this knob. These two knob changes the values of resistance and capacitance. Now we adjust the audio frequency in regular interval, like first we take 1 kilohertz, then we take 2 kilohertz, then we take 3 kilohertz, like this till 10,000 kilohertz, and record the current output for the corresponding frequency. Once we record all the current values for the corresponding frequencies, we now switch off the setup and change the resistance value to 75 ohms, and again start the machine, and we again start recording the values of current for different frequencies, and we repeat this for different number of different values of resistance and capacitance. So after we have recorded the values of current and frequency, we plot the graph of frequency versus current. Similarly, we will set up the parallel LCR circuit now. So now that we have already set up the circuit diagram as given, so we will again repeat the procedure similar to the series connection. First we will set the voltage at 3 volt and 1 kilohertz, and then we will start adjusting the frequencies in a regular interval and noting down the current in the emitter, and record it for various different frequencies. And similarly we will also repeat this experiment for different values of resistance and capacitance, and finally plot the frequency versus the current graph.